My name is Steve Shiva, and I have been a coach for many years now. I work with men, women, everyone in between, in individuals and group structures in order to help people to come in touch with their deeper truth and to cut out all of the shit that they've been picking up and that they've loaded up on themselves and they don't even know is there. So a lot of my work is about really going down into the dungeon, into the deep dark places, which are the places which are preventing people from really shining and from really connecting on a deep level. And mostly it's automatic. They don't even know it's happening and they can't understand why are all my relationships shitty? Why am I not getting the love that I really want, that I deserve? And it's all because of this stuff that's mostly underground. So my job is to go in and dig into all of this stuff in order to help people to find their light.
The topic that everybody really wants to know a lot about, which is what is this mature masculine? Yeah, so let's go there.
Okay. Well, one thing could be that the mature masculine doesn't really have a need to be seen in the same way that an immature masculine man would. So if you look at the immature masculine men that you see in politics and stuff like this, they have a need to be seen and they need to show their power and to be acknowledged in that power by all their fans, right? They need approval from the outside. So immature masculine men would tend to push themselves into positions of power and to be seen and to be heard by a lot of people. I'm not going to say his name, but there's a man in the United States that is a very great example of this. Right? So a mature masculine man doesn't have that need. You can look at the archetype of the king, right? A king can sit in his castle and he can look over his lands and look over his people and reign, not control, but protect and serve his people without having to be carried on a golden chair and people bowing to him. He's confident in his power, right? So there's four archetypes, which is often used in men's work. You've got the king, the magician, the lover, and the warrior. So if you spoke about archetypes, we can also look at the male archetypes. You know, a king, the shadow archetype is a weakling king or an indecisive king. Right? You've got the lover, who is the healthy, mature lover is a man who is not needing to take from women or to conquer women or anyone for that matter, but he is there to open women more to their feminine nature. He is there to empower women by bringing them in touch with their sexuality and their depth of love. That's a mature masculine lover. The mature magician is creative, is able to not only create but see into the future. So there's a lot of intuition there. He's able to understand very quickly what's going on in an environment. He's able to plan, create, alchemize. He's able to use his magic to create more beauty on the planet, right? So this could be, the people that are doing the men that are doing amazing things on this planet, they're very much in their magician. They're in this creative aspect. And the last one is the warrior. So a healthy warrior is a warrior who will stop at nothing to protect and serve his queen, his kids, and the whole planet. He will lay down his life in order to uphold the honor, his honor, the honor of his woman, and the honor of humans in general. And he will not back down from a fight, but he will do it intelligently. He doesn't fight for no reason. But when he has a purpose, he will stop at nothing until his purpose is complete. And all of these archetypes have a common thread, which is integrity, depth of truth, presence, and integrity. They are trusted. People trust them. They feel safe around them, and they feel inspired by them. How many men do you know like this?
Not a lot.
In the global theater.
Honestly, global theater, not a lot. We're not there yet. We have so much work to do. And thank you so much. This was so deep and soulful. If you are ready for that incredible, inspired relationship with a partner who is attractive, authentic, available, a partner who will support you, who will understand you, and who will also make your life easier, a partner that you can co-create with, if you are ready, and you are a successful, kind person, I have something incredible for you. I'm inviting you to book a 15-minute free conversation with me and my team to find out how exactly you too can find the love of your life within the next 90 days. Click on the link below and book the conversation with us. My name is Luba Evans, and I'm responsible for more than 3,000 evolved, inspired partnerships. If you are ready to bring in that incredible, extraordinary love into your life, so click on the button below and set a chat with us. It's just a 15-minute chat to see if we can really help you achieve your dreams. I'm sending you so much love. This was Luba Evans, lubaevans.com.